Hello guys. Today, I will be telling you how to survive entering a black hole. Well, technically, everything survives falling into a black hole, it just doesn't retain its same form. When something falls into a black hole, it is only going to get warped due to space-time. So when the space-time is infinite at the black hole's singularity, all objects will still exist, but just warped until they are infinitely small. Obviously, our bodies could not possibly survive the warping, because humans are very delicate and complex, and can be easily destroyed. But however, there is a way to survive. You have to somehow defy space-time. You can do this by unwarping the space-time around the black hole with extremely powerful forces, so that the black hole would basically just be a singularity with nothing around it. There is actually a type of black hole that kind of simulates this. Instead of sucking you into its singularity, it will repel you at extremely fast speeds if you touch it. This is a naked singularity, or when two particles which attract and repel each other spin at extreme speeds. You obviously wouldn't survive this, because you will get repelled at speeds of just under the speed of light. So you could possibly reverse this repelling force by putting an extreme magnetic force all around the naked singularity. This magnetic force required would be about 2.1499854 E plus 13 teslas, and keep in mind, the force has to be all around the black hole. But at least the repelling would be neutralized. You will then have to wear an extremely good pressure suit, since there is a huge force being put on you at all angles. But this process would also be very hard. The amount of energy in order to maintain this is more than that of 10,000 neutron stars. So please do not do this at home, as it will result in certain death. Anyways, hope you enjoy for more stupid and unreasonable tutorials, and see you next time. Bye.